Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to unhide a chat on your Viber on iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to unhide a chat on Viber which you had hidden previously on your Viber account on your iPhone, first open the Viber app like this. And let's go to chats, and after opening your Viber app, on the top of the screen you can see the search bar over there. Tap over there and type in the pin number you had set it on your Viber while hiding your chat. To hide a chat, let's go. And I had set and or I had hidden a chat with or the pin 1234, and you can see guys, when I enter the pin number over here, the hidden chats are available over here on the top of the screen. Tap on the hidden chats like this, and on the top of the screen you can see their name. Tap over there and tap on chat info and settings like this, and scroll down to the bottom of the list, and there is the unhide this chat option available just above the clear chat content. Tap on unhide this chat and set the pin or enter the pin which you had entered over here on Viber while hiding the chat. Mine one is 1234. And there guys, the chat has been unhidden. And there guys, this is how you unhide chat on Viber on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.